Guys, so sorry about the noise, but we have to do this. I want to guide you on how to set a limit order, a pending order, all right? A sell limit or buy limit. Let's take for example, right now I want to do a sell limit on GBP USD. Okay, so what do? I click on this. Okay, once I click on this, you see a red line has appeared on the screen. Okay, so I click on this red line and move it to the point where I want to place a limit order. Okay, once I click on that, you see down here we have stop SL and TP, right? So I click on SL, a new line has appeared on the screen. Okay, so if I say you should reach 20 pips, okay, if it's 0.01, it should be 200 points. Okay, so look here, you see the number of points in dollar. This is it, $22.2, something like that. Now if you want to change the lot size, it's simple. You click on this. Okay, maybe you want to change from 0.01 to maybe 0.1. okay, so you click on this point, you edit it manually. Okay, so let's say 0.1. okay, I want to place a limit order of 0.1. Now once you do that, if you want to also set the take profit, you just click on the TP, this TP down here. Sorry, you click on this TP to set it. How do you set it? It's simple. Once you click on it, a green line has appeared on the screen, right? What do? You move the green line to where I say is the TP. If I say it's 100 pips or 500 pips or whatever, okay, you move it to the point where you see on the chart. Anyway, if it's at 1.3 500 or 1.35 thousand, you place it there. 1.34 thousand, you place it there. 1.345 thousand. So you place it. Where do you see the numbers? Here on the right. Okay, as you are moving it, the number is changing, you see. Now how do you complete the settings? You click on this blue arrow. Okay, once you click on this blue arrow, now you click on place sell limit. Oops. Good. Once you do all that, you click on place sell limit. Sorry. You click on, let me take it all over again. So you place the order. Okay, let's say we're placing the order here. You place the stop loss, you place the take profit. Okay, place the take profit, then you click on the arrow, then you click on place sell limit, and that's how you get to do it. All right guys, if this video has helped you, do not forget to subscribe. Forget about the noise, focus on the lesson. Once you click, the order has been placed automatically, so the order is ready, waiting now for execution. See you on the next video guys.